How to get Airbnb discount. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. To get yourself an amazing discount in your Airbnb and feel like home away from home, follow some of the steps. So first is to be flexible. Flexibility will be your friend. Many hosts offer discount for longer stay. Think weekly or monthly. Can you extend your trip a few days? Great. Not only will you experience the local life more, but you will save some cash as well. Second is the basic, that is the reach out and negotiate. Don't be shy. Contact the host directly and politely. Inquire about a potential discount. Mention why you are interested in their place and be flexible with dates as mentioned. Sometimes a friendly message can work wonders. Third is book weekends separately. This one might surprise you. Sometimes booking weekends separately can be cheaper than booking the entire weekend at once. It's a bit of a hack, but it can save you some dough. Fourth is consider new listing. New hosts are often eager to establish themselves and might offer introductory discounts. Explore few things, and who knows, you might discover a hidden gem at a great price. And the lastly is the referral power. Got a friend with an Airbnb account? Use the referral code to get credit towards your first stay. It's a win-win. Bonus tip is the weekday stays. Here's a secret weapon. Weekdays are generally cheaper than weekends. Did you know that? So consider traveling during the week for significant savings on your Airbnb. With these tips and a little creativity, you can find the perfect Airbnb for your budget. So pack your bag, embrace flexibility, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.